In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload PDF to Gemini. By the end, you'll feel confident getting a PDF into Gemini and asking smart questions about it to get the answers you need. First, open your Gemini account in your web browser and make sure you're signed in. If you haven't used Gemini recently, give the page a moment to fully load so the interface is responsive. It helps to have your PDF ready on your computer and closed in any other apps, just to avoid file lock issues. If your file is large, a stable internet connection will make the upload smoother. Once you're on the Gemini chat screen, look for the small plus icon next to the message box where you would normally type your prompt. This icon expands your input options so you can attach files. Click the plus icon to open the attachment menu. From the menu that appears, choose Upload File. Your file picker will open. Navigate to the folder where your PDF is saved, select the correct file and confirm. If you have multiple versions, double-check the file name so you upload the right one. After you select it, Gemini will begin adding the PDF to your chat. Depending on file size and your connection, this might take a few seconds. Wait until you see a clear confirmation in the chat area, such as a file thumbnail or a label showing the PDF's name, indicating that the upload is complete and attached to your message. With the PDF successfully attached, you're ready to enter your prompts regarding that file. In the prompt box, be specific about what you want. For example, you might ask Gemini to summarize the document, outline the main sections, extract key dates, define technical terms, or answer questions about particular pages. If you need help with a specific part of the PDF, mention the section heading or page number to focus the response. Clear, direct instructions lead to clearer answers. If Gemini's first response isn't quite what you expected, refine your prompt. You can ask it to provide bullet-free paragraphs, limit the answer to a certain length, or compare two parts of the document. Keep your conversation in the same chat so Gemini maintains context from the uploaded file. Before you wrap up, consider saving any important responses or copying them into your notes. If your PDF contains private or sensitive information, share only what you're comfortable analyzing in a cloud-based tool and follow your organization's data policies. That's it. Open your Gemini account, click the plus icon, upload your PDF, and then enter the prompts you care about. You're ready to get insights from your document quickly and clearly.